Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove a photo background for free. Very easy guys, very simple. So I want you to come over here at this website. It's called remove.bg. You come over here, you scroll down and you have to select an image. You can take an image right away or you can simply choose one from your library. In our case we're going to choose one from the library. We're going to pick this image over here of this Ferrari. Beautiful car. And simple as it is guys, you click on the image and it will automatically erase the background. This is how fast and simple it is. So there's also another tip over here. You can replace the background. I can include forest. I can include gray, something like staircase, or I can include like a room, like I can put it the car on the road, right? Many things we can actually add. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.